Okay, good morning, student. You all are heartily welcome to this for this class and to watch the video. You know that in the previous class we have done some questions from NCERT book. So today I have brought some extra question on the same topic circle, which are important, and this may be the part of your exam. Sometimes it happens we do and we forget to do this kind of question. So you can see here I have made a diagram. By this diagram I would like to just explain what are the things has given here and what we need to find out. एक आपके पास यहाँ पर एक सर्कल प्रोवाइडेड है और इस सर्कल का सेंटर आपके पास O गिवन है. O is the center and the angle formed by the arc at center which is denoted by x. So AOB आपका कितना है x डिग्री दे रखा है, x डिनोट किया हुआ है. Whereas this arc is also forming the angle at the another segment at point D and point C, right? And on the intersection of these two lines we have denoted by P and उसका angle जो होगा नीचे y degree. And on extending AC and BD, these two lines are intersecting at point E, and this angle we have denoted by Z, right? Now our question is, हमें निकालना क्या है? In our question we have to show that we have to prove that y plus z is equals to x. I mean to say angle y plus angle z equal to angle x. ये आपको क्वेश्चन के अंदर लेकर के आना है, ठीक है? This is the question and the whole description that I let you know about the question. Question में सर्कल दे रखा है and this topic, this question is extra question from your chapter circle. So let us see how we can do the solution for the question. Solution कैसे करेंगे? For the solution, अब देखिए सर्कल है आपके पास और in the previous class मैंने आपको बताया था कि angle formed by an arc at center is always twice the angle formed by the same arc to the remaining part of the circle. That means if I say, if I denoting this angle by 1 and 2, what you will say? आप बोलेंगे कि सर AOB जो है, AOB का जो मेजरमेंट होगा, it will be the twice of ADB and also you will say AOB, which is also twice of angle ACB, right? Why? Because we are following a theorem DMT, degree Basel theorem. As per the degree Basel theorem, we have obtained that angle, central angle x, which is twice of angle 1 and angle 2. So what I mean right here, x is twice of angle 1 as well as angle x is equal to twice of angle 2, right? It is कैसा आया आपको पता चल गया? It is as according to our theorem. अब बात ये होगी कि मेरा बेसिक मोटिव है कि I want to reach here, जो आपको एक quadrilateral shape में दिख रहा होगा C P D E. अगर आप ध्यान से देखो बेटा, C P D E, आप इस quadrilateral पे एक बार पहुंच जाओ आप. Then we should apply angle sum property of a quadrilateral. और एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल 360 होता है. 360 की जो प्रॉपर्टी वो क्वाड्रिलेटरल की प्रॉपर्टी को अगर फॉलो करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली आपको पता चल जाएगा कि जो भी लाना है ऑटोमेटिक वो क्या होगा, दैट विल कम आउट. सो मैं यहाँ पर पहुँच गया 2 और यहाँ पर पहुँच गया मैं 1. अब देखो 2 आ गया एंड ये एक्सटेंड किया था तो AE इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड BE इज आल्सो अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. क्लियर हो गया बात? सिंस यू विल राइट हियर, आप लिखेंगे कि BE and AE both are the straight line, are the straight line. Straight line सीधी line है. Why I need to write straight line? Because without straight line you cannot say that it will form a linear pair. So what you will get? अगर मैं आपसे बोलता हूँ कि we need to find this angle. This angle means which is in part of the quadrilateral. मतलब मैं आपसे बोल रहा हूँ ECP की बात कर रहा हूँ. So I want to find out ECP and ECP is equals to 180 degree minus angle 2, same as EDP, and EDP you will get what, 180 minus angle 1 as according to by LPA, linear pair angle. linear pair angle तो पता है ना सभी को, यस ओके। ये मिल गया, ये मिल गया, ये मिल गया, तो ऑलरेडी गिवन ही है। और एंगल y जो होगा वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल के अकॉर्डिंग CPD जो होगा, एंड योर CPD कितना हो गया, योर CPD इज इक्वल टू APB which is equals to y as according to vertically opposite angle. Clear? Vertically opposite angle. Now at last final हमें आंसर मिलने वाला है हमारा। ये आपको याद रखना है कि we have to show that हमें लाना क्या है, हमें लाना है भाई y, एंगल y प्लस एंगल z इक्वल टू एंगल x, ये लाना है। तो अब ये देखिए नाउ वेयर वी आर CPDE, यहां पर देखो, फोकस करो एक बार। नाउ इन क्वाड्रिलेटरल CPDE, अरे बेटा इसमें देखो तो सही, आपको पता चलेगा, यू विल गेट द एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल। भाई एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल आपको लगाना है। यहां पर z लिखा है मेरे पास, सो आई विल राइट डायरेक्टली z प्लस, और द c पार्ट इज 180 डिग्री माइनस एंगल 2, और ये वाला पार्ट, दिस पार्ट एंगल d which is equal to 180 minus angle 1 and plus p वाला interior of quadrilateral, the p is equals to y and the sum of all four angles, this will give you 360 degree by angle sum property of a quadrilateral। ठीक है, क्लियर हो गई बात। अब 180 plus 180 360, तो 180 plus 180 360 cancel out, बाकी the rest of the part you will say what, rest of the part angle 2 plus angle 1, keep z and y in the same place, and you can transpose angle 2 and angle 1 to the other side. Now you have z plus y is equal to angle 2 plus angle 1. So what is angle 2 plus angle 1? Do you know angle 2 and angle 1 both are equal? Do you know or not? See, हमने पढ़ा था ना अकॉर्डिंग टू DMP, AOB जो होगा वो इसका ट्वाइस और इसका ट्वाइस होगा, दैट आई हैव रिटन हियर ऑलरेडी, है ना, ये देखो यहाँ पर दिख रहा है आपको। अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस स्टेटमेंट यू कैन से ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल 1 एंड ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल 2 बोथ आर इक्वल बिकॉज़ x इक्वल टू दिस एंड x इक्वल टू दिस, तो यू विल गेट व्हाट, you will get angle 1 is equal to angle 2. ये कौन सा है आपके पास, this is the theorem on the basis of degree measure theorem, angles in same segment are equal. So you will write z plus y is equal to angle 2 plus angle 2, why, because angle 1 is equal to angle 2. 2 plus 2 is, this will give you twice of angle 2, twice of angle 2 and twice of angle 2 equals to x, or you will say z plus y is equal to angle x। देखिए फाइनली मैंने आपको लास्ट में जो बताया, अगर विजिबल है तो ठीक है, एट लास्ट आई टोल्ड यू z plus y is equal to twice of angle 2 or z plus y is equal to x। You can write down angle by denoting by angle, angle z plus angle y is equal to angle z. So this was the question as per the question, as per the diagram. Let's see, अगर आपको देखो तो डायग्राम थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगता है, बट इसका सॉल्यूशन इतना मुश्किल नहीं है, बट हाँ एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ना क्या दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट। सो कीप दिस क्वेश्चन इन योर इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस कैटेगरी, राइट, एंड पॉज द स्क्रीन एंड take the screenshot of this question. Okay, now see the another question. I have another question for you. This one is the second question. एक और भी क्वेश्चन है बच्चों मेरे पास, एक इसका दूसरा क्वेश्चन भी है, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। I am going to make this on board. And the second question is, we have a circle. So we have a circle and there is a center. If I pass a line from center, it is called diameter. It is called diameter. And there is another line which is called, on extending, it will meet to the diameter which is extended to the extended to the outside. And these two lines are intersecting at point C. And we have the center which is O, and here is a D. And the name of the chord is AB. Name of the chord is AB. AB is the chord. On extending, this chord is intersecting with the diameter which was extended at point C. Right? Now, if I join this line O to B, अगर मैंने O से B को मिला दिया तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? आपका रेडियस बन जाएगा. क्या बन जाएगा? रेडियस. एक और मैंने यहाँ से ज्वाइन कर दिया ऐसे. अब अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस ये हमें दे रखा है दिस इज x एंड यहाँ पर इसका एक्सटीरियर में आपको प्रोवाइडेड है y. दिस इज y. अब हमारा क्वेश्चन ये है कि वी हैव टू शो दैट, वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट, व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रूव, वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट, वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट x इज इक्वल्स टू 3 टाइम्स y. ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है. और देख लीजिए आपको क्वेश्चन दे रखा है, बाकी डिस्क्रिप्शन मैंने आपको समझा दिया. इट इज अ सर्कल एट सेंटर O. दिस वन इज अ डायमीटर. देयर इज नो पॉइंट हियर, so no need to worry about this. A line from center to circle is called radius. Similarly, again we will write a line from center to circle is called another radius, and this angle is x, and the exterior angle which is formed by the chord and the diameter extended outside, and this one is y. And the question we have to find x is equal to 3 times of y. Right? There is one more information that I want to share with you, and the OB which is also equal to BC. ये given है आपको. We have, तो मैं भूल गया था, just note down this. We have OB which is equal to BC. ये given है. This one is a given part. Right? This one is a given part. So how we can do the solution? मैं आपको बता देता हूँ solution कैसे करना है. When the two sides of a triangle are equal, तो ये दो साइड ट्रायंगल की बराबर होंगी तो डेफिनेटली इसके क्या होंगे? बेस एंगल दे विल आल्सो इक्वल एज अकॉर्डिंग टू द थ्योरम 7.2 or 1 I think from your chapter triangle. When the two sides are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. So you will say BOC. You will say what? BOC which is equal to BCO. Y degree. Angle opposite to equal side of a triangle are also equal. Similarly, if you apply the angles of property of a triangle, you will get ABO and ABO is equals to what? See here, ABO is the exterior angle of a triangle. Triangle OBC. Triangle OBC. Triangle OBC का exterior जो angle है that is ABO. Then exterior angle property के according, this will equal to y plus y. You can say here by giving reason EPA, angle, exterior angle property of a triangle. Now you are getting ABO which is equals to twice of angle, twice of y. Exterior angle property के according क्या मिलेगा आपको? Twice of y. And now since you can say a line from center to circle is called radius, so AO is equals to AOB. These two are the radii. These two are radii. According to the radii criteria, we are getting that AOB is an isosceles triangle because radius are equal. So therefore you can say, so you will get what? Again आपके दोनों बेस एंगल फिर से बराबर हो जाएंगे. You will get these two base angle are also equal according to the theorem 7.2 triangle chapter. The property says when the two sides are equal, their opposite angle are also equal. Now again you are getting what? OAB. OAB is equal to OBA, which is equal to 2y. Now you are getting this one is also 2y. And angle sum property, according to the angle sum property in triangle AOB, when you will use angle sum property, you can find out AOB. AOB is equals to what? 180 minus 2y minus 2y by angle sum property of triangle. मैंने डायरेक्ट बना दिया है इसको, एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल, क्योंकि ट्रायंगल के 2y और AOB को ऐड करने से आपका जो सम आएगा 180 डिग्री आएगा. तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट प्रॉपर्टी यू कैन फाइंड आउट AOB which is equals to 180 minus 4y. Now you can see we have different angles in support of to justify our required verification that we need to find out here. If you see that a line which is passing through center, and intersecting the circle in two equal parts, this one is the diameter. So this DC is a straight line. So मैं directly लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पर angle x plus angle this AOB and angle y. Angle x plus 180 minus 4y. 4y किसका वैल्यू हो गया? AOB का. And plus angle y. This will give you 180 degree by linear pair angle. अब चेक कर लेते हैं कितना आ गया. 180 will cancel from both sides. So y 3y से subtraction करेंगे तो you will get minus 3y equal to 0. And finally you will get, by transposing these values, you will get x is equals to 3y. Right? This is the way how we can prove. So we can use the different approaches to prove a single question. It is not hard and fast rule that according to my procedure you will follow. If you are getting another method, another way to solve by applying another geometrical aspects and postulate, you can use and do the question by yourself also in another method. Otherwise you can follow what I did here. This one is another important question, and do try to solve by yourself. ठीक है, तो thank you so much. That's all for today.